Hey, it's Ian, and if you have neck and back pain, then I have the perfect solution. This is the Max Relax, and let me show you how this works. It's got a perfect C-shaped design made to support your head, neck, and shoulders, which will allow your spine to decompress, relieving all of that painful tension. Now, one thing you're gonna love is that this is lightweight and portable, meaning you can use this just about anywhere, like on the couch, in your bed, or even on your favorite lazy boy. But I've found that I get the best results when I'm laying directly on the floor. Now, using this is super simple. You're gonna wanna align your neck with the cradle and so that your head is slightly hanging off. Position your body so that your knees are bent and your hands are next to your head like this. You'll notice that these nodules are going to hit those neck pressure points, which is gonna be super relaxing and help start the decompression process. Now, this is truly a versatile item that anyone can use. Everyone from recovering athletes to tired office workers and even those who suffer from stiff necks, shoulders, and aching backs. Plus, this also can help people who grind their teeth and suffer from TMJ. Now, we sold this once before and it sold out super quick. So if you want this, get it while you can. Now, we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not gonna wanna miss out on. So head on over there and grab yours today.